From time to time, you need to grease and lubricate your table saw. Here's the Grizzly 1023. All the grease points can be accessed from the top, but it's pretty tight. Some of the points can also be accessed from the side. When you turn these cranks, they should move real easy. Each crank has a worm gear that needs greased, and there's 2 points in here that need oil. This is the part that pivots with the blade. Just apply oil right in here. The front one's easy to see. The back one is in here somewhere. You have to reach in with an oil can and oil it up. You kind of have to feel it. It's hard to see. Now here, when you turn the crank, you can hear it squealing. Once we get grease on the worm gear, then we'll just keep moving it back and forth to work it all in. In the manual, it shows the places that needs oil and the place that needs grease. Now here in the manual, it shows the screws to take the top off. Now, if you were going to take off the tabletop, these side pieces have to come off first. I find it's a lot easier not to take the top off. Once you get the grease in place, just keep working it back and forth. Now I'll put the camera down into the machine so you can see the worm gear. So here's one of the worm gears, and there's another one. Basically, if it moves, you want to get some grease on it. Now when I turn the handle, it's not squeaking. Now this shaft spins, so you want to get some oil on it too. It's amazing, once you get some oil and grease on this, the machine works so much better. Here from underneath, you can see the moving parts. One moves the blade up and down, and the other one turns it at a slant. Now that we've got everything all greased up, we can work on these handles a little bit. It takes a wrench and a screwdriver. You want them to move easy, but not shake around. See, here it spins, but it doesn't shake. Okay, everything's all cleaned up. Well, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.